You know, I'm here to answer the age-old question, why would I stand when I can sit? Hi, welcome to Festival Choice. I am Allison, and thank you for joining me today. Okay, so this is what we have on the agenda today. I've designed these like really cute, vintage inspired, mid-century modern ashtrays. And so I'm gonna make some. And we're gonna 3D print them. We're gonna paint them. We're gonna make some motherfucking cigarettes. And then like take cute pictures of them and footage so that I can list them on my Etsy shop. All right. Oh, this doesn't look good. Weird. Oh my God, you guys. There's like something growing in my 3D printer. All right. Let's figure out what's going on with this, and let's start getting my ashtrays into production. Hi. So I've been toiling away, making all kinds of little printies while you sat there and you did nothing. Oh, my little puppy's here. We should probably go out. It's like so nice here. It's like the perfect autumn day in Maine. And you know, this time of year, it's like, I don't know how many more I'm going to have. So try to take advantage. Anyway. Okay. So I have these all prepped, and ready to be painted. Also, like, I kind of messed around with the scale, and some of them printed so small, which is fine because I'll use them for my Lundby, and like I have customers who also buy Lundby stuff, but like look how little that is. It's so freaking cute. Are you kidding me? And like these ones, I have a secret surprise. Maybe I shouldn't talk about it yet, but I have a secret plan for these little round ones that like when I designed them, I had that in mind and then I forgot about it and then I just remembered it. So, really excited about that. So, let's get these bad boys into the paint. Let's get them into the paint. Come on, let's get them into the paint. All right, let's go.
I wish you bluebirds in the spring to give your heart a song to sing, and then a kiss from Mother Earth. I wish you love, and in July another day to cool you in some leafy glade. I wish you health
did it. We did it, guys. We did it. Listen, you finished an entire YouTube video. I finished creating an entire YouTube video, as well as all of these little trinkets for someone to bring to their home with them. Did you have a favorite? Did you have a favorite moment? What was your favorite moment? Which was your favorite ashtray? Well, of course, no brainer. Mine is obviously the miniature McDonald's. Because I feel like if you're not in your 40s, like, or older, you probably don't remember a time when smoking was everywhere. Literally, there was smoking in McDonald's. There was smoking on airplanes. I mean, it was, Mad Men is not an over dramatization. If anything, there was more smoking. And, you know, I love to do vintage dollhouse stuff. So I feel like any vintage diorama, dollhouse, etc., it needs to have an ashtray, you know? Because even if you didn't smoke, you would still allow people to smoke. I think it would be rude to make people go outside. Like, if you didn't smoke and someone came over, I think it would have been like really bad manners to be like, no, you have to go do that outside. It was a different time. It was a different time, you know? Thank you so much for joining me, for being part of this journey with me. And if you want more of me, I know I'm not the most consistent YouTuber. There is a ton of content on my TikTok. There is a ton of content on Instagram. I also just started a Facebook page for my shop, Fezziwig Toys. So there's some content on there. So yeah, find me all the places and let's be best friends, because I sit alone in a basement all day. I think I'm done. On that note, I think I'm done. Okay, I'll see you guys really soon. I actually already filmed. Let me see if it's around here. No, I don't think. Oh, actually it is. Hold on. I've actually already filmed a bunch of it. So here's a little sneak peek. I made a bunch of these really super cute, super realistic charcuterie crates that have like polymer clay food. I'm really proud of myself because I don't normally think that I'm great at polymer clay food. Like, it's such a specialty. It's very difficult. And I haven't really put a lot of time and effort into doing it. So, but look, and I'll show you every part, every moment. So look forward to that in the next month. I feel like saying 1 week would be optimistic. Cool. I will see you later, and join me on other social media. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, spam it out to everyone you know, so that I can become a rich and famous YouTuber and get a big house like I see all the time. Actually, I don't really need, I love my house. I'm content, but it would be nice. It would be nice to pay my mortgage off like monetized video revenue, passive income. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Bye.